Wheatgrass Kit comes with everything you need to grow 3 trays of wheatgrass. We have measured out the right amount of seed and compost for each tray. Soak 1 pack of the spelt seed in cold water overnight, ensuring all the seeds are covered by the water. The next morning, drain off the water. Take one of the bags of compost and spread it over the base of a tray. Tip the soaked seeds on top of the compost and spread them out evenly. They will completely cover the compost in a good thick layer. Water the tray evenly with a fine rose if possible. Place the tray in a warm, bright place. Keep it moist but well drained. In 10 to 14 days, your wheatgrass will be around 15 centimeters high and ready for harvesting.